ever shed when born of envy's hand. Drawn from the well of bitterness that stains the heart of man, the world calls it release, a burdened soul set free. But truth reveals the folly deep, it only chains the heart to grief. The lie and the thirst for like the water that fades away. It makes me thirst again. A tear of envy, dark and cold, flows from an unclean spring within. Oh God, I see my restless past. The well I built won't last. Oh, to be freed from this way, to drink of you today.
Could not a tear be shed in light? Could not one fall pure and bright? From what well must it be drawn? What heart could cry such song? Mine is filled with bitter streams, judgment's flood, unholy dreams. Oh, to shed a noble tear, that heaven's heart might hold it near.
Lord, give me grace to shed a tear that shines with light, not envy's flood, but mercy's rain, to wash my soul tonight. Take this well I've carved in pride, pour out your water wide. Purify these depths I've known, make living rivers from this stone. I repent of bitter waters, Lord, of wells I've dug in vain, of judgment stored and mercy scorned. Come sanctify again. Create in me a clean, clean heart, renew my spirit true. O tear of light, fall now from heaven and make me new in you. So tear of light, fall down. Tear of grace, fall now. Wash away the pain and pride. Jesus, purify. Tear of light, fall down. Tear of love, fall now. Living water flow through me and set my spirit free.
Tear of light, fall down. Tear of grace, fall now.
Fall
Wash away the pain and pride. Jesus, purify.
Tear of light, fall down. Tear of love, fall down.
Living water flow through me
And set my spirit free.